Your skin changes as you age, and your routine should change with it. Let's break it down, stage by stage. Teens and early 20s. Keep it simple, keep it gentle. A mild cleanser, a soothing toner, a lightweight moisturizer, and yes, sunscreen every single day. That's the secret to fighting breakouts without stripping your skin. 20s and 30s. This is your glow era. Hydrate, brighten, and protect. Grab a niacinamide or snail mucin serum, layer on a hydrating essence, and lock it in with a lightweight cream. Prevention now means fewer worries later. 40s and 50s. Your skin wants a little extra love. Think firming and repair. Peptides, retinol, and antioxidants are your power trio. Add in an eye cream and a richer moisturizer and watch those fine lines soften. 60s and beyond. Now it's all about comfort and deep nourishment. Ceramides, collagen, and restorative creams keep your skin strong, soothed, and radiant. Because glowing skin doesn't have an age limit. And here's the best part. No matter your age, the right routine makes all the difference. Find the products made for your stage of life at Terglow and glow with confidence at every age.